explosion. Now it's time to pour the liquid nitrogen. Remember, do not try this at home. Okay, I'm gonna put this cap on. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm doing it, go. More balls in fast. All right, the bottle is literally expanding right now and it's gonna pop any second. That exploded so high.
How are we gonna clean this up?
Now that we covered the ground, let's put something in the air. Oh! Look at it fly! Whoa!
We're gonna be doing an elephant toothpaste volcano.
Whoa. Yo, that's pretty sick.
This is actually insane. It looks like lava.